Hello, chemistry students. This is day 10 or April 10th, 2020. Today I'm going to show you how to draw or represent waves on a wave diagram with a certain frequency. Waves are drawn just like this. No. Let's fix that. Okay. Let's pick a color. Let's go doo-doo brown. All right. So when we draw waves, remember we draw them like this, right? And when we draw those waves, you have to have a certain number of waves. You have to have a certain number of ups and downs. Well, to make your frequency calculations easiest, you always need to draw with ups and downs. So what I'm going to do is in this time frame of 1 second, which is this entire line, I'm going to draw 3 waves in that entire section, in that 1 second. And to help me draw the wave, since I know that I'm going to have 3 waves, I'm going to take that horizontal line right here. I'm going to break it into 3 mostly even-sized pieces. And that's going to be a reference point to where I'm going to start one wave here and end that wave right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this section and then that section and be able to draw 3 waves in 1 second. And I'm going to give it an amplitude of 3. So this line represents the highest point of my wave, and this represents the lowest point of my wave. So I'm going to start out at the beginning and draw 1 wave. So if I know that this entire section is going to be 1 up and 1 down, then I'm going to make sure my up goes here, then down right there, and then I'm going to repeat that to create 1 whole wave in that picture. Just like that. That is 1 beautifully drawn doo-doo brown wave. So then I'm going to do the same thing again, find that halfway point, and then go like that. My amplitude's not quite where it wants to be. There you go. And then I'm going to do this 1 more time, and there you go. I now have 3 waves in a total of 1 second. I got 3 ups, 3 downs. That gives me 3 waves. So to calculate frequency again, that's new. I'm going to take the number of waves. I'm going to divide that by time. And my time in this case, what's going on there? Why don't you write it? Time is 1 second. So let's get rid of this and go. The frequency is equal to 3 waves divided by 1. And what's 3 divided by 1? Correct, 3. And that's my frequency, 3 hertz. Just like that. And that's how you calculate frequency. You take the number of waves divided by the time, which was 1 second. So let's do 1 more wave, or 1 more problem. As an example, let's go, that crimson red. Let's do a different amplitude this time. Let's go 2. And now I'm going to draw, instead of over 1 second, let's do this over 2 seconds. Let's replace that with a 2. So I'm going to do 4 waves in 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Well, I know the middle point is right there, and that would be 1 second. I know I'm going to need 4 waves over the entire 2 seconds. So I'm going to make a split right there where my waves are going to end. And then I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 waves in 2 seconds. So my frequency is 4 waves divided by 2 seconds. What is 4 divided by 2? Correct, 2. And my unit is hertz. I'm experiencing 2 waves per second. And that is how you draw waves on a wave diagram with a certain frequency and how you calculate the frequency. Take the number of waves you drew divided by the time. 3 waves divided by 1 gives you 3 hertz. And then 4 divided by 2, 2 hertz. And that's how you calculate frequency. So that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you answer your questions on the assignment that's going to be posted. Turn that in at the end of the week, and I will talk to you later.